Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, Common University Entrance Test CUT-PG, Master of Hospital Administration MHA Entrance Exam pattern and syllabus will be discussed. For Hospital Management COQP 22 is the code, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, Master of Hospital Management MHM entrance exams for various university and institutes like CUT-PG, CM Christian Medical College Vellore, SGPGI Lucknow, KGMU Lucknow, University of Lucknow, AIMS Bhopal, Guru Nanak Dev University Amritsar, Aligarh Muslim University, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences Nasik, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MHA, MHM, MPH and other competitive exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Kindly like, share, comment and hype this video. So for Common University Entrance Test CUT-PG for 2027, registration may start in December 2026 and Common University Entrance Test CUT exam may be in March 2027. So this syllabus is according to 2026 and the same syllabus may be in 2027 also. So this is the hospital management, code is COQP 22, syllabus for hospital management COQP 22, hospital management COQP 22. Note, first is the question paper will have 75 questions, so there will be 75 questions in question paper. All questions will be based on subject specific knowledge, so only subject specific knowledge questions will come in entrance. All questions are compulsory. The questions will be bilingual, English and Hindi, and there will be negative marking, plus 4 marks will be awarded to correct answer and 1 mark will be deducted. So 1/4 is the negative marking. Hospital management COQP 22. So here first chapter is health and disease concepts. In health and disease concepts, topics are various dimensions and determinants of health, measures and indicators of health and related issues, natural history of disease and sciences, primary health care services, hospital and its role in health and diseases. Second chapter is environment and health. In environment and health, topics are effect of various factors like water, air, light, ventilation, noise, meteorological environment, humidity, housing, disposal of waste, excreta, disposal on health and well-being, basic concepts of biological, medical, entomology and insecticides, rodents and related disease, radiation and zoonosis on public health and health administration. Third chapter is medicine and social science. In medicine and social science, topics are understanding the concepts in sociology of health, psychology and health, social psychology, family in health and disease in understanding health, cultural factors in health and disease, hospital sociology, social problems and health, basic health economics, social security in health of population. Chapter 4 is hospital waste management. Topics are basic understanding of sources of healthcare waste, healthcare waste hazards, methods of treatment and biomedical waste management for healthcare administration. Next chapter is basic epidemiology and population health. So in basic epidemiology and population health, topics are understanding population health and epidemiology, rates, ratios and measurement of morbidity and mortality of health and related parameters, basic statistics of association and causation. In biological sciences, concepts of disease, transmission, immunity and immunizing agent, basic understanding of disease prevention and control in India. Next chapter is basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences. In basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences, topics are recent development in cell biology, genetics, pharmaceutical sciences, healthcare information technology, nutrition sciences, diagnostics, Biotechnology, Vaccine Development and Sanitation. Next chapter is General Awareness on Healthcare. In General Awareness on Healthcare, topics are current happenings of healthcare and life sciences sector, population health, epidemiology, basic public health and programs of India, basics, physiology and anatomy of human body, society in health, understanding hospital management, understanding of World Health Organization and other bodies of international health, basic issues and challenges of healthcare business verticals such as pharmaceuticals, healthcare information technology, healthcare entrepreneurship and hospital management, understanding of national health programs. Next chapter is Introduction to Hospitals. In Introduction to Hospitals, topics are types of hospitals, health system in India, sub-center, PSC, CSC, first referral units, district hospitals, corporate hospitals and charitable trust hospitals. Next chapter is Department in Hospitals. In departments in hospitals, topics are clinical departments in hospitals, basic specialization, general medicine, surgery, ODG, pediatrics, anesthesia, super specialization and sub specialization in hospitals, cardiology, urology, neurology, etc. Next chapter is supportive services in hospitals. Topics in supportive services in hospitals are CSSD, pharmacy, linen and laundry, food and beverages, dietary services in hospitals. Next chapter is engineering services. In engineering services, topics are heating, ventilation and air conditioning, civil, electrical, water supply. Next chapter is hospital management fundamentals. In hospital management fundamentals, topics are process of management, principles of management, accounting and costing in hospitals. Next chapter is materials and equipment in hospitals. In materials and equipments in hospitals, topics are classification of equipment, diagnostic and therapeutic equipment, X-ray, CT, MRI, PET, CT, cath lab, dialysis, OT equipment, purchasing and store. Next chapter is infection control and biomedical waste management. In infection control and biomedical waste management, topics are nosocomial infection and their prevention, biomedical waste rules and regulations. Next chapter is legal aspect, laws pertaining to hospital and healthcare. So in legal aspects, laws pertaining to hospital and healthcare, topics are Consumer Protection Act, PCP and DT Act, Human Organ Transplantation Committees in the hospitals, ICC Committee, Infection Control Committee, Ethical Issues in Hospitals. Next chapter is Management Concepts in the Hospitals. So topics in management concepts in hospitals are human resources management, doctors, nurses, paramedics, recruitment, selection, training, motivation, finance management, budgetize marketing of hospital services. Next chapter is disaster preparedness and hospital management. In disaster preparedness and hospital management, topics are types of disasters, disasters management team, various codes used during disasters. So this is the syllabus for Common University Entrance Test COQP 22 Hospital Management, Master of Hospital Management, MBA Hospital Management syllabus. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA, MHM and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.